This song is called Alice's Restaurant. It's about Alice in the restaurant. But Alice's Restaurant is not the name of the restaurant, that's just the name of the song. And that's why we call this song Alice's Restaurant. You can get anything you want at Alice's Restaurant. You can get anything you want at Alice's Restaurant. Walk right in, it's around the back, just a half a mile from the railroad track. And you can get anything you want at Alice's Restaurant. It all started about 4 Thanksgivings ago. It was about 4 years ago on Thanksgiving, when my friend and I went up to see Alice and her husband Ray and Facha the dog. Alice doesn't live in the restaurant though.